Hello, pilots. Watch the video and then answer this week's discussion. How do we prevent drone disasters?
Something on final here. We thought maybe it was a drone, but there's definitely something on final.
A scare in the sky when two pilots flying into Newark Liberty International Airport reported seeing a drone dangerously close to planes last night.
Yes, sir. Object, and it definitely looks like a drone. Missed the drone by about 30 feet off our right wing.
The FAA says the dual drone sightings came in around 5 p.m., about 3,500 feet above Teterboro Airport, less than 20 miles from Newark, prompting a police helicopter search. The intrusion put all flights in the area at risk.
They didn't tell us anything. We just were around, but the pilot never mentioned anything.
Some flights were delayed taking off. Others had to circulate in the air several times before they could land.
About 3 times, yeah, more or less. But we thought it was maybe about the weather.
Check out this map showing, at one point, about a dozen planes stopped on the tarmac. This comes just weeks after drone sightings at London's Gatwick Airport, resulting in hundreds of holiday flights canceled. And last year, a drone came close to a Frontier Airlines flight in Las Vegas. All concerning for authorities, especially after a recent study shows what kind of damage a drone colliding with a plane could cause. Tuesday's disruption at Newark may have been short-lived, but for those getting off long flights, it was rather frustrating.
Well, they shouldn't be flying them near an airport, period. You know, if they do and they get caught, well, they got to pay the consequences.
Sources say if those responsible are caught, they could face criminal charges and up to $15,000 in fines. And it's important to note FAA regulations say drones should not be flown above 400 feet. We're live at Newark International Airport. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.